Okay, we're here to go to math.com, about to fall asleep. Click on the linear equations, or maybe I'll click on them. What are we doing? 7.1, I think. I'm just working my way on right on down. Find the solution to the equation, if there is any, and I think there's at least one. There is exactly one, actually. We have x minus 18 over 18 plus x is equal to 17. So let's bring up something to write on. Alright, we got x. I need to reset my default, I think. That doesn't look like that thinned out any. I don't know. Over 18 plus x is equal to 17. Okay. We need to get rid of this 18. That thing's kind of way in the way there. And by doing that, what you're going to do is just multiply 18 all the way through. Alright. We're going to sneak it in right there. How's that? We'll put the plus over here. Okay. And we can put the 18 over on this side, actually. Alright, so the reason we put the 18 up here, this is like multiplying through by the reciprocal, because this is really 1 over 18. If you brought this out, 18 times 1 over 18 is 1. So those guys cancel out. And we're left with x minus 18 plus 18x is equal to 17 times 18, which would be a good idea right now to find out what in the world 17 times 18 actually is. And I'm going to do that. 306. I'll let you do that by hand. Use a calculator, whatever you got to do out there. Okay, so we got 306. We have, let's collect up some like terms over here. X and 18x are like terms, so that's 19x. Go ahead and bring that 18 over on the right. Is 306. Okay. Now, we can add 18 to both sides. Work with a lot of 18s in this problem. Could get confusing, actually. And the reason for that is we want a 0 here, right? So we're going to have 19x is equal to 306 plus 18. 306 plus 18, which you need to figure out what that is. What is that? 123? 124? My God, how embarrassing. 306 and 18. 306 and 18. I just had to take brain power. 324. What did I say a minute ago? I can't remember. I just don't want to make any mistakes. 324 and 19x. So then we multiply through by the reciprocal here. 1 over 19. 1 over 19. X is equal to 324 over 19. Oh, I've had friends in the past, they're like, man, I bet you can multiply, 4-digit numbers in your head together. I'm like, dude, I'm lucky to multiply 1-digit numbers. So a lot of people don't understand that, but anyway. So we just don't care. We're more interested in the concept than trying to multiply 3-digit numbers in our heads. There's calculators for that kind of stuff. We got 324 over 19. Does that reduce down? And I don't believe so. 19 is a prime number, isn't it? That doesn't mean that 19 doesn't go into 324, though. I'm sure there's probably some number theorists out there like, oh my God, you can't tell 19 goes into 324. Anyway, we've been writing our solution, SOL. Which means solution and not something else. I have to keep telling myself that. 324 over 19, I believe that's as low as it goes. And of course I did check that before. You can go ahead and type that in. Let's just do that. Let's type that in up here just to make sure that this box is programmed correctly for this one. Correct. You are correct. You get a biscuit. Alright, so you're at gotomath.com. Come on by, practice. See you later.